You want to make the best guacamole you've ever had? Stay tuned. Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking with Chef Rich. Today we're going to be making some guacamole. Yummy, yummy. We'll jump right in, we'll talk about our ingredients. I have 4 avocados, 2 tablespoons of diced red onion, 1 tablespoon of diced garlic, 1 tablespoon of lime juice, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 small tomato diced, and 1 tablespoon of jalapeno diced, 1/4 cup of cilantro diced. First thing we're going to do is we're going to take our lime juice and add that to our guacamole. And I'm just using a potato masher or egg masher and going to mash this up. Once our avocado is all mashed up, we will add our onions, add our garlic, add our jalapeno, add our salt and pepper, add our tomatoes, and lastly our cilantro. Give a great mix. So I took our guacamole and put it in a bowl, and I want to show you what it looks like. A couple things that I want to talk to you about before I taste it. First thing, I did taste it already, and I added 1 more tablespoon of lime juice, and that will be reflected in the description down below, where the recipe will be. Second thing, storing guacamole. Obviously you can eat it now as is, but if you're doing it, you can do this a day in advance and store it. However, it has to be in an airtight container, and when you put it in your container, try to bang the container down to get all the air out. Like if there's little air bubbles in it, wherever there's air, it will turn brownish blackish and won't look very appealing. Also take some saran wrap and put some saran wrap on top. It'll still turn a little bit of brown, but you can just scrape that off. But you want to make sure it's as airtight as possible, because if there is air, it will oxidize and turn brown. So that's the first 2 things. Last thing is, this is a chunky guacamole, like I did it with the potato masher. If you want a perfectly smooth guacamole, you can throw it into a food processor. The only thing is you can't process it too much, because what happens is the food processor will actually heat up the avocados, and if the avocados heat up too much, that causes them to turn brown as well. So just kind of pulse it on the, if you're going to use a food processor. So anyway, I'm going to taste it. Now I'm going to try our guacamole. Really, really, really good. I love guacamole. This is like the best guacamole you'll ever have. So anyway, please give me a thumbs up if you like my video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And thank you so much for watching. I very much appreciate it. And be safe, everyone. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.